In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive cards and lists in Trello as part of our quick tips series. Archiving in Trello is a great way to declutter your boards without permanently deleting important content, but what if you need to retrieve something you archived? No worries, I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Trello.com. Once there, you'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. Now you'll have the option to log in using either your email address or your Google account. Simply enter your credentials and sign in. After successfully logging in, you're taken to the Trello homepage. From here, navigate to the Boards section. You'll typically find this listed under the Your Workspaces area. While on this screen, select the specific board you wish to work with. Now that you've opened your board, look for a small icon resembling 3 dots, which is generally found near the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will expand a menu with several options. It's here that you'll need to select Archived Items. Once you've clicked on Archived Items, you'll see an option named Switch to Lists. Go ahead and click this and you should see all the lists that have been archived within that specific board. To bring a list back to your active board, simply click Send to Board. Your list will then be relocated to its original position or at the end of your lists, making it ready for use once more. Next, let's turn our attention to cards. Similarly, you'll need to switch to cards within the Archived Items view. Again, you'll see all the archived cards from your board. To reinstate any of these cards, just click Send to Board, and they will reappear on your board exactly where they were before being archived. Finally, once you have completed the unarchiving process for your desired lists and cards, it's time to close the menu. Look for the Close button, which is generally the same 3-dot icon you clicked earlier, and simply click it again. This should tidy up your interface by closing the menu, allowing you a clear view of your newly restored board. And that's all there is to it. Now you're well equipped to archive and unarchive your Trello cards and lists whenever necessary, keeping your boards organized and efficient. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check back for more quick tips where we simplify your digital workspace management. Thank you for joining, and happy organizing.